In today's video, we're exploring the best Google camera apps for Android that can take your mobile photography to the next level. If you're ready to enhance your photography game, let's jump right in. Goolge HD Camera App. The Goolge HD Camera App is designed to bring the essential features of Google's camera software to a wider audience, especially for devices that may not come with Google's native camera app pre-installed. This app offers high-definition photography capabilities, including HDR, high dynamic range imaging, which helps in capturing detailed photos with balanced lighting. With a user-friendly interface, the app provides various shooting modes, such as panorama, night sight, and portrait mode, allowing for versatile photography experiences. Additionally, it focuses on optimizing image quality while providing real-time filters and editing tools. If you're looking to improve your mobile photography, the Goolge HD Camera App is a great option to consider. GCam HD Photos. GCam HD Photos is a popular third-party app that replicates Google's renowned camera software, bringing advanced photographic features to non-Google devices. The app includes powerful features such as astrophotography mode for capturing stunning night sky images and slow-motion video capabilities. Users can benefit from the app's advanced algorithms that enhance photo quality, making images look sharper and more vibrant. The app also allows for customization of settings, enabling users to adjust parameters like ISO, exposure, and white balance for a more professional touch. With its focus on delivering high-definition results and an array of shooting options, GCam HD Photos is an excellent choice for those wanting to elevate their photography skills. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Goolge HD Camera App and GCam HD Photos helps you find the perfect tool for capturing stunning images with your Android device. Until next time, happy shooting!